Hello everyone. Today I am going to share two chutney recipes of Marwa or marjoram herb, which is rich in phytochemicals and provide many health benefits to us. You can see here how it looks. Along with the recipes, I will share what Ayurveda and modern science says about this herb. So let us start. Here I am showing first recipe of Marwa herb, that is Marwa and Coriander chutney, along with sharing information on this herb. This herb is called sweet marjoram in English and Marwa in Hindi. It is an aromatic plant. Its leaves, stems, seeds and essential oil is used in various medicine formulations. Moreover, its leaves are used to give flavor to tea, soup, salads, veggies, and to marinate various dishes. Now, let us see what Ayurveda says about this herb. Some people think it is tulsi plant or oregano plant, but this plant is different from both of them. It improves digestion, appetite and circulation in body. It is dry in nature and light to digest. It pacifies vata and kapha dosha and increase pitta dosha. Here marwa and coriander chutney is ready. With pakoda and vegetable pancakes, it tastes delicious. Now I am showing second recipe of marwa herb, that is marwa and mint chutney, along with sharing information on this herb. Ayurveda says this plant keeps reptiles and serpents away. Unfortunately, I could not find any scientific report on it, but I have experienced that lizard doesn't come near to it. Ayurveda counts many health benefits of this herb, such as maintain skin, reproductive and cardiac health. It kills intestinal worms. It gives relief in pain. It helps in eye infection and many more. Now let us see what modern science says about it. Modern science reported many pharmacological activities of this herb, such as antimicrobial, antiseptic, pain relief, and kill intestinal worms. It helps in eye infection and maintain oral, gastrointestinal, respiratory, cardiac, liver, kidney, and reproductive health. In addition, it has anti-diabetic and anti-cancer activity. Moreover, it helps in neurological and psychological disorders and reduce anxiety and stress. Interestingly, it acts as pesticides, herbicides, and used as food preservatives, nutritional supplements, functional food, and nutraceuticals. After knowing all these benefits, missing this plant in home garden is not convincing. In contrast to the normal belief that we should not keep this plant at home. Let us talk about some preventive measures should taken while consuming this herb. First, we should not be allergic to it. Second, should not consume in excess. Third, avoid in lactation and pregnancy. Fourth, avoid in patients suffering from bleeding disorders, piles, heavy periods, and in high pitta conditions such as burning sensation. Fifth, avoid in patients taking blood thinners and diabetic medicines. Sixth, or consult your doctor if are on any other medication. Here marwa and mint chutney is ready. It tastes delicious when consumed with vegetable khichdi. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is valuable for you, please like and subscribe my channel.